This chart demonstrates the cube size and its dimensions. From this chart, the 30 by 30 cube has the smallest surface area to volume ratio, which was 0.2, and the 10 by 10 cube has the largest surface area to volume ratio, which was 0.6. This next chart shows the results of the experiment. The 30 by 30 cube that was in the vinegar for 5 minutes had the lowest extent of diffusion, which was 61%. On the other hand, the 10 by 10 cube that was soaked in the vinegar for 15 minutes had the highest extent of diffusion, which was 99%. This graph depicts the relationship between the average rate of diffusion and the volume of the cube. The line of best fit displays an indirect or inverse relationship. That means that as the volume of the cube increases, then the average rate of diffusion decreases. This graph shows the relationship between the average extent of diffusion and the volume of the cube. The relationship is the same as the previous graph. It is an inverse relationship. The answer for question number 2 is the 10 by 10 by 10 cube supported the fastest rate of diffusion because of its large surface area to volume ratio. The large surface area to volume ratio allows the white vinegar to permeate through the membrane faster. Question number 3. The 10 by 10 by 10 cube had the greatest diffusion per percent total volume with an average of 96.97%. This is also due to the large surface area to volume ratio. The smaller the cube is, the more vinegar diffuses in. Question number 4. Seawater has a higher concentration of solutes than human cells. Due to osmosis, the water osmoses from a low concentration of solutes to a high concentration of solutes. Water would be drawn out from the cell. Question number 5. The surface to volume ratio of a cell is 600 to 1 centimeter. The extent of diffusion into this living cell is greater than the smallest agar cube due to the larger surface area to volume ratio.